Meaning of fossick.
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 Fossick. Fossick is a term that refers to searching for something, often valuable materials like gold or gemstones, by sifting through dirt and debris. The result of fossicking can vary depending on the location and the resources being sought. In some cases, fossicking may lead to a significant discovery, such as the unearthing of a valuable gemstone or mineral deposit. However, in other cases, fossicking may yield no results at all, leaving the searcher with nothing to show for their efforts. Regardless of the outcome, fossicking is often viewed as an enjoyable and rewarding pastime for those passionate about geology and natural resources.